Welcome to our latest video, 10 regions most at risk from climate change by 2050. As the impact of climate change accelerates, certain areas of our planet are facing severe threats that could drastically alter their future. In this video, we'll explore the 10 regions that are projected to be the most vulnerable, from the sinking South Pacific Islands to the crucial ecosystems of the Amazon rainforest. Join us as we delve into the challenges these regions face and what it means for their populations and the world at large. 1. South Pacific Islands, e.g., Maldives, Kiribati, Tuvalu. The South Pacific Islands are a picturesque paradise, but their low-lying nature makes them particularly vulnerable to rising sea levels. These islands face the grim reality of being submerged if current trends continue. Cyclones are becoming more frequent, wreaking havoc on homes and infrastructure. The intrusion of saltwater into freshwater supplies threatens the very survival of the communities. Biodiversity loss is another pressing concern, as these islands are home to unique ecosystems. By 2050, many of these islands could become uninhabitable, forcing entire communities to migrate and potentially lose their cultural heritage. 2. Sub-Saharan Africa. Sub-Saharan Africa is bearing the brunt of climate change with rising temperatures and erratic rainfall patterns. Countries such as Chad, Niger, and Ethiopia are facing prolonged droughts that severely impact agriculture. Food security is at risk as crop failures become more common. Water scarcity is another pressing issue, leading to potential conflicts over dwindling resources. By 2050, the region could face increased desertification, which will exacerbate existing socio-economic challenges. The struggle for resources may lead to heightened tensions and conflicts, further affecting the lives of millions. 3. Bangladesh. Bangladesh, a country crisscrossed by rivers, is no stranger to flooding. However, rising sea levels and intensified monsoons are exacerbating the situation. The threat of cyclones looms large, with devastating impacts on both urban and rural areas. By 2050, millions could be displaced, as vast swaths of arable land are lost to the encroaching sea. This displacement poses significant challenges for a densely populated nation, potentially leading to humanitarian crises. The loss of fertile land will also impact agricultural production, further straining food resources. 4. The Arctic. The Arctic is warming at an alarming rate, more than twice the global average. This rapid warming causes ice sheets to melt, disrupting ecosystems and wildlife. Indigenous communities, who rely on these ecosystems, are facing profound changes in their livelihoods. Melting ice contributes to global sea level rise, affecting coastal areas worldwide. By 2050, the Arctic could experience drastic changes in weather patterns, impacting agriculture and ecosystems globally. The loss of ice also opens up new shipping routes, leading to increased human activity in this fragile environment. 5. Middle East and North Africa, MENA. The MENA region is grappling with extreme heat waves and severe water scarcity. Desertification is advancing, threatening agriculture and water supplies. Countries like Iraq, Syria, and Yemen are already facing challenges due to climate-related stress. By 2050, the risk of conflict over dwindling water resources will be significantly higher. Food insecurity will become a pressing issue, as agricultural productivity declines. The region will also experience devastating heat waves and droughts, impacting livelihoods and prompting migration. 6. South Asia, India, Pakistan, Nepal. South Asia is a region of contrasts, but its vulnerability to climate change is a shared concern. Heat waves are becoming more intense, posing health risks to millions. The monsoons bring both blessing and curse, as flooding displaces communities and damages infrastructure. The melting glaciers of the Himalayas threaten freshwater supplies for millions. By 2050, the region could see a significant rise in mortality due to extreme heat. Agricultural losses and water shortages will lead to increased migration, exacerbating socio-economic challenges. 7. Southeast Asia, e.g., Vietnam, Philippines, Indonesia. Southeast Asia is a region rich in culture and biodiversity, but it faces significant climate risks. Coastal flooding due to rising sea levels threatens densely populated cities like Jakarta and Manila. Typhoons and heavy monsoon rains endanger communities, causing displacement and economic instability. Coral reef degradation affects fisheries, impacting food security and livelihoods. By 2050, agriculture could be severely impacted, leading to further displacement. The economic instability resulting from these challenges will be a major concern for the region. 8. Central America, e.g., Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua. Central America is a region characterized by its natural beauty, but it is also prone to hurricanes, flooding, and droughts. These extreme weather events threaten agriculture, infrastructure, and freshwater supplies. Deforestation and soil degradation are additional risks that exacerbate the situation. By 2050, increased migration due to loss of livelihoods will be a significant issue. Poverty rates could rise, leading to conflicts over resources and affecting both the region and neighboring countries. The socio-economic challenges will be profound, requiring concerted efforts to address them. 9. Australia. Australia, known for its unique wildlife and landscapes, faces significant climate challenges. Rising temperatures and extreme heatwaves are becoming more common, leading to devastating wildfires. Severe droughts strain water resources, impacting agriculture and communities. Coastal areas are at risk of flooding from rising sea levels, while the Great Barrier Reef faces destruction. By 2050, biodiversity loss will be significant, and the economic impacts on agriculture will be profound. The increased frequency of wildfires and storms will test the resilience of communities across the country. 10. The Amazon rainforest, South America. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is a vital global resource. However, it is under threat from deforestation, droughts, and wildfires. These challenges exacerbate the loss of biodiversity and carbon sequestration capabilities. By 2050, continued degradation could lead to irreversible tipping points in the ecosystem. The Amazon's ability to regulate global climate will be compromised, contributing to broader environmental challenges. The social impacts will be significant, affecting indigenous communities and those who rely on the rainforest for their livelihoods.